Friends, in our last lecture we discussed about exercise 1.1. Now here we discuss about a function and a type of function. First, remember this, what is a function? Already you know that function is a one type of relation. Remember this, which relation is said to be function? For two null set A and B, that is AB not equal to null set, a relation which associates every element of A with a unique element of B, then this relation is said to be function. Clear? So this relation F, A to B, is said to be function. This relation associates A with a unique element 1 of B, same B with 2, C with 3. So this is a function. If we take this relation from A to B, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, A related with 1, A related with 2, B with 2, and C with 3. Then what you say about this relation? Here this relation F associate A with 2 element, not uniqueness condition satisfied by this relation. That is this relation F associate element A with 2 element of B. So this relation is not a function. This is a function. Now remember this for this relation A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Here A related with 1, C with 2, and remove these 3 extra numbers of B, extra element of B. Here this relation F associate A with 1, C with 2, but does not associate B with any element of this set B. So what do you say about this relation? Is this a function or not? This relation is not a function because every element of a first set, here A and C associate element of B with this relation, but B does not associate any element of B with this relation. So this relation is not a function. Clear? Same, if we take a relation A to B, if A associated with 1, B with 2, and C with 3, and take a more one element 4, then what do you say about this relation? Already this relation is a function because this relation F associate every element of a first set with unique element of a second set. So this is a function. Clear? Same, if given this type of relation A, B, 1, 2, 3, A associated with 1, B with 1, and C with 3, then what do you say about this relation? Is this relation function? Here 1 is unique for A, 1 is unique for B, That is, this relation associate A with unique element 1, B with unique element 1, and C with a 3. So this relation is also function. Clear? So remember this here about definition of a function. A relation which associate every element of A with a unique element of B, then this relation is said to be function. In second words, every element of A are a first member of unique order pair of relation F. Then this relation is said to be function. Clear? So remember this, which relation is said to be function. Now here we discuss about the types of function. First, one function, one. In second words, injective function, one or injective function. Remember this, which function is said to be one. If for a function f a to b, remember this, f associate every element of a with a unique element of b, then this function is said to be one function. That is, f associate distinct element of A with a distinct element of B, then this relation is said to be one function. And in second words, image of every element of a first set A are unique under this relation, then this relation or this function is said to be one function. Clear? Friends, one function for x1 x2 belongs to A, if we take f x1 is equal to f x2, then we prove that x1 equal to x2. Then we say that given function is a one function. That means if image of x1 and x2 under f equals, then both members x1 and x2 of A are also equal, then we say that given function is a one function. In second words, image of equal members of domains are equal under this relation f, then this function f, then this function is said to be one function. So remember this definition of one function. For a function f a to b, for x1 x2 belongs to A, f x1 is equal to f x2 implies x1 is equal to x2, then function f is called one function, one or injective function. Clear this? Function. Now onto function, onto, or in second word, surjective function, surjective function, onto function, surjective function. Remember this here, which function is said to be onto. we know that for a function f a to b, if every element of b, that is every element y of b, there exists x belongs to a, such that fx is equal to y, then given function is said to be onto function or surjective function. That means range of given function f is equal to its codomain, then we say that the given function is a onto function. Clear? So remember this definition of onto function. For a function f a to b, range of f Rf is equal to its codomain b, then f a to b is called onto or surjective function. Clear this? So remember this onto function. Now from Venn diagram, remember this given function from a to b is onto or not. A associated with 1, b with 2 and c with 3. Here every element of a second set B are image of element of A under F. That is, for all x belongs to A, fx is equal to y belongs to B. Secondly, for every y belongs to B, there exists x belongs to A, such that fx is equal to y. So f of A is equal to 1, f of B is equal to 2, f of C is equal to 3. That is every element of B are image of one element of set A under F. Or in a second words, here range of this function f Rf is equal to, here value of A under F is equal to 1, that is the value of a function is 1, second value becomes 2, third value becomes 3, and this set 1, 2, 3 is a set B, that is the range of f is equal to B. So we say that a given function is a onto function. Now second, if we take a set A is equal to A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, here A associate with 1, B with 1 and C with 3 or 2, take here 2. Then what you say about this function is onto or not? Here range of given function 1, 2, range of given function is 1, 2, and codomain of given function is equal to B, 1, 2, 3, write a B, and both not equal, so given function is not onto function. Now combine definition of 1, 1 and onto, that is a bisective. So remember this, which function is said to be bisective? 1, 1 and onto, combined function. A function which is 1, 1 and onto is said to be 1, 1 and onto function or bisective function. In second words, a function which is injective and the surjective is said to be bijective. Remember the definition. Clear? Now here we solve some question of exercise 1.2. First question given, show that the function f r star to r star defined by fx is equal to 1 upon x is 1 1 and onto. That is to show that given function r star to r star fx is equal to 1 upon x is a bijective 1 1 and onto into 1 1 and onto. Here r star is a set of a real number which are not 0. That is a set of all non-zero real number. Remember this. First we prove that given function is a 1 1 function. We know that by our definition for x1 x2 belongs to domain. Here domain is a r star. Fx1 is equal to fx2 and we prove that x1 is equal to x2. Then we say that given function is said to be 1 1 function. That is a image of a same element of x1 and x2 under f are same. So for x1 x2 belongs to r star set of non-zero real number, let fx1 is equal to fx2. First we take fx1 is equal to fx2. Now we prove this x1 and x2 both are equal. Fx1 is equal to, we know that image of x under f is 1 upon x. So image of x1 is under f is 1 upon x1. Same image of x2 under f is 1 upon x2. So is equal to, both side take a reciprocal, we get x1 is equal to x2. So for all x1 x2 belongs to r star, fx1 is equal to fx2 implies x1 equal to x2. Given function f is 1 1 function or a injective function. Now for onto, we know that how to prove this given function is onto. For this here domain is r star, codomain is r star. For this relation f, relation is given by 1 upon x. Here only we prove that for all y belongs to r star, there exists x belongs to r star such that fx is equal to y. Fx is equal to y. So let for y belongs to r star, which r star? Second, which is a codomain. For y belongs to r star, fx is equal to y. Let for y belongs to r star, y compare with fx. Therefore we know that fx is equal to 1 upon x is equal to y. Therefore take reciprocal on both sides, we get x is equal to 1 upon y. Clear this? And 1 upon y is non-zero real number. That is x is non-zero real number. That means x belongs to r star. So for all y belongs to x, for all y belongs to this r star codomain, there exists, remember this is a symbol for there exists, or in a words we write this. There exists x is equal to 1 upon y 1 upon y belongs to r star. This r star is a domain such that this is a symbol for such that fx is equal to, here value of x is a 1 upon y, so f of 1 upon y is equal to image of 1 upon y under f is 1 upon y is equal to y. So for all y belongs to r star codomain, there exists x belongs to domain such that fx is equal to y. Therefore, we say that by definition given function f is onto. Clear? So first we prove this given function is a 1 1, taking x1 x2 belongs to r star, fx1 is equal to fx1, and prove that x1 equal to x2. And to show that given function is onto, take y belongs to r star, and we found x belongs to r star domain such that fx is equal to y, and we prove that given function is a onto function. Clear? Now we check, is the result true if domain replaced by set of natural number and codomain remains same. In this case, given function is 1 1. Here for x1 x2 belongs to n natural number, let fx1 is equal to fx2. This implies fx1 is a 1 upon x1, fx2 is a 1 upon x2. Image of x1 under f 1 upon x1, same image of x2 under f 1 upon x2. This implies x1 is equal to x2. So by definition fx1 equal to fx2 implies x1 equal to x2. So we say that a function f is a 1 1. Clear? Is 1 1. Now we think about a onto function. What do you say about this onto function? If we take any element 2 by 3 or any elements in a rational form, take here 2 by 3 belongs to r star. Here r star codomain. Later fx is equal to 2 by 3. Clear? For 2 by 3 belongs to r star, let compare 2 by 3 with fx, and we know that fx is equal to 1 upon x is a 2 by 3. Therefore x is equal to, take a reciprocal on both sides, 3 by 2, and 3 by 2 never becomes element of a set of natural number not belongs to n. Therefore for 2 by 3 belongs to r star, that does not x belongs to n, such that fx is equal to 2 by 3. Clear? Therefore for 2 by 3 belongs to r star codomain, there does not x is equal x belongs to n, there does not x belongs to n, such that fx is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, given function f is not onto. That is a not onto function, surjective function. Clear? So if we change its domain, in place of this we write and, then this function is one only, but not a onto function, not a surjective function. Remaining question we solve in our next exercise.